Government Ayurveda Medical College Mysuru recently had the honor of hosting a landmark contained medical education program exclusively designed for the esteemed teachers of Samhita and Siddhanta. This impactful event, organized by our Department of Ayurveda Samhita and Siddhanta, was made possible through the generous sponsorship of the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, with the support of Rashtriya Ayurveda Vidyapit, New Delhi. We are delighted to share the complete recording of this week-long academic journey. Watch now to gain valuable insights from our distinguished speakers and relive the spirit of knowledge sharing and academic excellence.
Now, the session is led by Professor Asit Kumar Panja. Sir is a professor in the Department of Basic Principles, National Institute of Ayurveda, Jaipur. He holds a BMS degree from University of Calcutta, Diploma in Yoga and Naturopathy with Gold Medal, MD and PhD. With 24 years of clinical practice, 23 years of research and 17 years of postgraduate teaching, he also served at WHO headquarters, Geneva, as consultant in the TCI unit, contributing to global benchmarks and terminologies for Ayurveda and Panchakarma. Professor Panja has guided 23 MD and 3 PhD scholars, published 175 research articles, authored 23 books and 24 e-books, and edited 9 manuscripts. He has delivered 245 lectures, presented in 139 seminars, and managed 8 funded research projects. An editor for reputed journals, he has received awards including CCRS, Young Scientist. Currently, he leads projects on manuscript digitization, folklore revitalization, Ayurveda green clinics, and diet-based therapies.
ये विस्कीरा ये प्रतुदा विहंगा तेसाम रसोई जांगलजय मनोगोई. मनोगोई is also written. If we take with pleasant gesture, your diabetes will maintain. If we take in a stress gesture, like patient used to tell that doctor restricted all my fruits and sweets, then stress leads to adrenaline secretion, and adrenalines inhibit the insulin receptor, so that will also increase the sugar level. So if you get rest, then that is why he is telling manoggai. It should be manogya. Jangalojai manoggai. Then आगे what to do? Mudgadi jushai atatikta sakai purana salyam udana vadadit. What kind of food you have to take? Nishisthitayam triphala kasaye, nishisthitayam triphala kasaye, sutarpana khudjutam javanam. Sir, please बैठ जाइए. हो गया तो फटाफट कर देते. टाइम नहीं करेंगे, जो मिनट 2 मिनट. हाँ, पोएट्री इज गुड. शेक्सपियर के एक शब्द है सर, पोएट्री इज गुड बट टी इज बेटर. पोएट्री इज गुड बट टी इज बेटर. शतम विहाय भोक्तव्यम, शतम विहाय, शतम कार्यम विहाय भोक्तव्यम. गॉट नॉट गेटिंग? 100 काम छोड़ के खाना खाना चाहिए. शतम विहाय भोक्तव्यम, सहस्रम तक्ता स्नानम कुर्यात्, लक्ष्यम तक्ता दानम कुर्यात्, कटिम तक्ता हरिम भजेत. ओके, सो शतम विहाय भोक्तव्यम. तो दिस इज व्याख्यानम. फटाफट 5 मिनट्स सर, 5 मिनट्स. क्या पढ़ेंगे? तो प्रीवियस वन इज व्याख्यान. व्याख्यानम यद नाम सर्वबुद्धि विषय व्याक्रियते. सर्वबुद्धि विषय डिस्क्राइबिंग एवरीथिंग. देन अगेन, अरे उल्टा चला गया मैं. मंथ कषाय जवचूर्णल ये पदार्थ है, क्योंकि हेयर वी आर डिस्क्राइबिंग द पदस्य पदाय और पदानाम बार्थ. विच काइंड ऑफ मंथ, विच काइंड ऑफ कषाय, विच मंथ, there is a month of medicine originated month, and month is also food month, ahar month. Mantra actually variety of font, month of a font of Veda, Satraina Chatraiva Kattate. That is seen in Sarangadhar Purva Khanda. Sorry, Madhyam Khanda. Or then here is Mantha. Mantha. Mantha in another part there is a Mandaha. Manda part is there, but Manda not seems to be appropriate because Manda is Sikata Virahita Mandaha, Peya Sikata Samannita, Bilepi Bhu Sikata Sad, Javagu Viraladrava in Susrut Sutra 46. But here, Mantha, if you give Mantha, Manda, that will be Drava Pradhan. So as there is a Nidana Asa Sukam, Sapna Sukam, Gramma Dadini, Navanna Panam. So we should not translate his Mantha as a Manda. As per rule, it should not be Manda part is not correct. It should be Mantha. Sangshodhana Narahati, then again Niyoga. Next there is 20 yoga, 10 yoga for Kapha Prameha, or first 2 yoga for all. Darvi Triphala Subha Samastam, Chaudrajutam. This is actually Vyakhyanam. Again Vyakhyanam, Sarva Buddhi Vishayam Vyakriyate. Padai Kasaya Kaphume Hinamte Daso Pradishta Madhu Samprajukta. Next. This is all our Vyakhyanam. Then again. That is very, very important. In Vata Vriddhi Avastha, Pittajar Kaphaja Prameha. There is Vatik Prameha and another is Vata Vriddhi Avastha, Pittaja Kaphaja Prameha. Two different things. One is Vatik Prameha, another is Vata Vriddhi Avastha, Pittaja Kaphaja Prameha. Okay. Then it will turn to Vatik Meha. In the first sutra, Chikitsa Samprapti, Kshineshu Doseshu Avakrisha Vasto Dhatu Prameha Anila Karoti, Kshineshu Doseshu. So in there, Kshineshu actually interpretation Kshineshu Dhatushu. So Dhatushu leads to Vata Vriddhi. So here, Niyoga means Avasya Anushthanataya Vidhanam. Okay. So like this, we have to go. This is Dandaja Prameha. That is very, very important. Normally in Prameha, Dandaja Prameha is not described properly. So here also it says that Kampillak Sapta Chadasala Jani, Rohitaka Bibhitaka Kakauto Jani, Kapitta Puspani, Chachurnitani, Kshaudrirena Lihat, Kapapitta Mehi. Kshaudrirena Lihat, Kapapitta Mehi. Kapapitta Mehi. You see, Kapapitta Mehi. So again it is for the Vyakhyanam. Then this is Anubandha Avastha. In Anubandha Avastha, what you should give? That is, contextually it comes. In the neither in the Samprapti, Vidhi, Vikalpa, Pradhana, nowhere it is mentioned that there will be one condition where there is an obstacle, matlab avaranam. So Drishta Anubandha Pavanat Kafasya. Why he has written is written because that is the prayojanam. Though it is not, Adhikaran is going on, not the Prasanga, not the Prakaranam, but as previously Kapavitta Mehi is written and Dhatu Vriddhi leads to the Vata Vriddhi, Dhatu Kshay leads to the Vata Vriddhi, that is why he is mentioned that Drishta Anubandha Pavanat Kafasya, Kafasya Pavanat Anubandham Drishtva Sneha Vidhir Vikalpa, you should give. Okay. Next, very, very important, 40 number slok. Sorry, 40 number. Yeah. Phalatrikadi. If there is a condition where the dosha dusha samurchana leads to very grave condition, then blindly what should give? Nidarsanam. Blindly. He says, Phalatrika daru nisham vishala, mustam cha niskatta nishasa kalkam, pibet kasayam madhu samprayuktam, sarveshu meheshu samudrateshu. So this is nidarsanam. Without understanding nothing, मूर्ख विदुषम बुद्धिसामम दृष्टांत सर्वेषु मेहेषु समुद्रतेषु. Any meha, if it is samudrita, you give this one. But that very, very difficult yoga. Very, very difficult yoga because it has Phalatrika Daru Nisham Vishala. Vishala is Indra Varuni. We read Indra Varuni. If you give Vishala and this yoga, patient will complain of gripping and 5 to 10 times Malapravitti every day. That is very problematic. Then this is Madhyasab. I will skip this. Then Atidesa. This is one, you see, in Madhyasab, one asava is mentioned. And after that he is telling that you can prepare another asava of Bhallatak and Danti. So that is actually Atidesa. Bhallatak asava and Danti asava also you can prepare like the Madhyasab. So this is Atidesa. Then Vikalpana. Vikalpana, what you can give? There are so many options. Like Asanadi drinking, Asanadi, you know, Sarodakamba, Kushodakamba. Okay, next one. This is Atita Vekshanam. You see, he is telling in the Santarpanata chapter, I have discussed certain yoga, that is also you have to apply here. Santarpanatu Gadesu, you yoga medosina. Echa maya upadishta virukshanartham kapapitta jesu siddha prameyesu apite prajajya. Okay, then this one very, very important. This is exercise. Viharam. व्यायाम योगा विविध. आजकल क्या बोलते हैं जो I used to walk. How much extent? How much extent you work? Up to Sasa Pravritti, Hridhi Sthana Sthito Vayu Joda Bhaktam Prapaddate. He is telling Pragadai, Vyama Yogai, Vividai, Pragadai, Udvartanai, Snanai, Jalava Shekai, Sebya Tagela, Guru Chandanadai, this is Nirnaya and Niyogo, Avassa Anushtanataya Vidhanam. You have to do that one. Then Nirnaya. Then what is the assessment criteria? Whether it will be sadhya or asadhya. And what you should give initially. Kledasya mahamsam kapascha prasamiksha vannim. Next one. This is the Bhata Vriddhi Avastha of the Prameha. Then what you should give. Now, previously we discussed about the Kasai Yoga, prepared in the Madhu and Ghrita and Taila. That should be applicable. या वातमेहान प्रतिपूर्व मुक्ता वातल जा वातमेहान प्रतिपूर्व मुक्ता वातल ललनान विहिता क्रियासा वायुषु मेहेषु अपकर्षितानाम. So this is also niyoga. In the vatameha there are different yoga mentioned, and in vatulana prameha also you should apply this. Okay, next, this is very, very important sloka. This is actually application of Svabhava Parambad. Jai heturvi prabhavanti meha tesu pramehesu nate nishebhya hetu raseva vihita kriyasa jatasya bhogarogosya bhavet chikitsa. Means na naso karanavavad bhavanam naso karanam na niradhasti karanam हेतुरा सेवा विहिता यथैव जातस्य रोगस्य भवेत् चिकित्सा. Complete. Then this is DD, differential diagnosis. Here the Sasanga Tantra Yukti also mentioned and Nirnaya also. Then this is very important. Whether Prameya will be sadhya or asadhya. If sapurva rupa kapha pitta meha, if prameya starts with the purva rupa and it turns into the kapha and pitta jameha, kramena je vata kritascha meha, sadhya nate, they will not be साध्य पित्तकृतास्तु जाप्या साधास्तु मेदो यदि ना प्रदुष्टम. If there is no medodushti, then that will be only sadhya. Otherwise, there will be no sadhya. So, this is Upadesha Nama Apta Anusasanam. Directly reference. Then this is one. This is Jata. This is also Vidhanam. And last one slok. This is last slok. Prameya Pidaka. Pramehina Su Pidaka Mayokta. In the Sutrasthan 17th chapter, we discuss about the Prameya Pidaka. Okay, Roga Adhikare Prithakeva Sapta. Ta Sallavidhi Kushalai Chikitsa. So the surgeon will do the Chikitsa. And what will be the Chikitsa? Sastrena Sangsodhanai Ropanischa. So there are two different Tantra Yukti. Like this. So in the clinic, these are the Tantra Yukti we can use. Another aspect, one is chapter wise, another is clinical perspective. Clinical perspective mein, the patient comes with the suffering problem, this is adhikaran, then history mein, what will padartha, ettartha, uddesha, nirdesha, anumata, sasanga. Matlab, we have to give this clinical exposure to the students and describe this is the application of Tantra Yukti in history taking. Then only they will get interested and they will remember the Tantra Yukti and they will use. We never use this in OPD. Provisional diagnosis, Yoga, Vakartha, Arthapatti, Sasanga, Atides. Differential diagnosis, Pratyutshara, Uddhara. And final diagnosis, Ekanta. Prognosis is Anekanta. Management, everywhere, every step, we have to link, because in our survey study it reveals there is lack of integration with the Tantra Yukti original concept with the clinical one. So every day in the OPD, clinical OPD, IPD, you have to link this concept of Tantra Yukti with the daily day-to-day clinical activities. When we give the special directives that you should take this food, which oil you should take for the prameha? Suppose patient used to ask, which oil we should use? It was in the verse, in number 20. Sarsapa atasi taila yuktam, danti ingudi atasi sarsapa taila yuktam. There are four taila. Danti taila, ingudi taila, it is not usually available. Atasi and sarsapa taila yuktam. But problem, in the next lecture we will discuss what is the problem of using this oil. Because we are using Indian Vidhi oil. Indian Vidhi, adopting Indian Vidhi or using the low density lipoprotein oil. That is called HTST oil, high temperature short time. But we used to put the oil first, then onion, garlic, then make a gravy, then put the sabji, then allow the sabji for 20 minutes to get its boiled. But oil, we have put the oil in 25 minutes back. So now it's become dagdha, kharapaka. So if we take the kharapaka tel, because we are using low lipoprotein oil, no? That is called fine oil, refined oil. So refined oil is not that much potent to sustain the long duration of frying. That oil is called HTST oil, high temperature short time. So we are taking the dagdha pakap, kharapaka sneha. The kharapaka sneha leads to kushtaroga, aruchi, agnimanda, dhamani pratichayam, hridrogam, maranamba. Okay. So actually, we did not, I did not discuss anything. In this class, what we discuss? Which point we should address during the teaching? What are the problem we face and how the problem should be addressed and what is the methodology we should adopt? Only this one. Because the Tantra Yukti we cannot complete within domain of 1 hour, 2 hour. There are so many things. Like in Viparjaya Tantra Yukti also, in Madatta chapter, Charak, Viparjaya Tantra Yukti also used, no? जो whether in the copper dominant copper dominant people should take wine prepared of honey or prepared of that is grapes. Which one? Honey one. But in shloka, what is written? Kapapitta adhikebhya madhikam madhavam chajat. In the mool verse. Bhatikebhyam hitam patya madda paishtika godikam. Then implementation in day-to-day clinic. Everything is required to understand the Tantra Yukti. Okay. So it is a journey. It is not a class at all. It was a journey. We were introspecting ourselves. So what we used to face and how we should address. Okay. And one message is until unless the whole chapter or whole the context is described, it is very difficult to describe with one example. It is not possible. And again, Tantra Yukti should be taught in every second year, third year, fourth year. Then only students get to know what is the linking. Otherwise, like Sanskrit class, in the first year Sanskrit class, then second year, third year, fourth year, no Sanskrit class. The language should be in continuous pattern, no? So there must be a syllabus of 50 marks, 20 marks, 50 marks or 100 marks Sanskrit in every year of BMS. Then only understand. Otherwise, it's not possible. If you give 1,000 marks in Sanskrit also in the first year, then also not possible. Because language, it should be continuous. No? Okay, thank you. इतना बोला ही नहीं जो आप बजा रहे हो. हमने कुछ बोला ही नहीं. हमने बोलने के लिए बोला ही नहीं कुछ भी.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So, next one, just 15 minutes break will be there today. So, because of hectic schedule, today, one day, the break will be very short. Within 15 minutes, keep this happening. Thank you.
पहले फीडबैक लेना है. बच्चे लोगों को समझ में आया नहीं होगा.
Yes, sir.
मैं तो rat race, no? So there are three problems. One is psychological, cognitive, and emotional. Okay. Sorry. That also I have discussed. Now, classical correlations. What will happen? You can correlate these all events with the Janapada Dhangsha sequential happenings. केचित् अत्यादानात् संपन्न विपकानां गौरवम आसीत् गौरवात् श्रमः, that is in the कृत युग. गौरवम श्रम, श्रमात् आलस्यम, आलस्यात् संचय, संचयात् परिग्रह, परिग्रहात् लोभ. In which yuga? Krita yuga. Krita means what? Sharir 5. Balanam Krita yuge. In which part of the body is resembling with Krita yuga? जावंत ही पुरुषे मूर्तिवंत भाव विशेषा तावंत ही पुरुषे. There are two instances where the Lokapurusham are discussed. One is in for those who upachaya prasama nimitta, another is moksha nimitta. In one is Sharir 4th, another is Sharir 5th. In the Sharir 5th, he has mentioned what is actually Krita Yuga, what is actually Treta, what is Dwapar. Okay, you have to communicate these points also, classical interpretation with this, with the original. We first starts with the with the prevailing problem. We take the problem from the society, then we will go to the classics, then we will discuss according to the classical methods. Okay, that is called Nigama methods of discussion, not Agama method. That also you would discuss to some extent. Sudden exposure to traumatic events, primary stressful condition, what happened, a symptom of detachment, loss of emotional responsibility leads to the anxiety, then mood disorder, then substance related to disorders, then that will happen. So this cascade also you have to discuss with the students when you are discussing the lifestyle disorders. Now Ayurvedic management, then this is codified. Analysis of the body of mind and attitude correlation, everything, dosam, dusam, balam, kala, manalam, prakritim, bhaya, everything. Then yoga and MRT, other exercise, upbringing concern, then regular sleep and ritucharya, Vega concept, then eating habits, dinacharya, division of labor. Initially we have discussed, again we are repeating this because पूर्वे श्रुतेऽपि पुनः श्रवणात् श्रुत संशयम् अपकर्षति. इति विमान 8, चरक विमान 8. Management, you see management, what to do. Ayurvedic, previous slide it was Ayurvedic, this is management. Now Ayurvedic is correct. Okay, you know, the Ayurvedic is correct now. After 2017, Ayurvedic term is correct. Before that, there was no Ayurveda term in the English dictionary. So as there was no Ayurveda term in the English dictionary, we cannot do adjective by adding ik, because it was in a term of Ayurveda, not a term of English dictionary. Na? So that time the term, proper term would be Ayurvedia or of Ayurveda. Now we can use Ayurvedic because the Ayurveda term is mentioned in the dictionary, English dictionary. So we can do adjective also, Ayurvedic. Okay, now management, geriatric health, eating, everything. This is for your orientation, because we should focus the food only. Lifestyles, literary level of libido status, individual body mind analysis, food habits, education, endurance level also important. Stress. Previously you see how the king Ashoka was chosen for the thorn. कैसे अशोक को चुना गया था बताओ. Bindusar had 4 children. That endurance test was conducted. All the Rajkumar was asked to sit with a thali of food. Then they open up the 4 dogs towards them, and they used to run. Then one Rajkumar fled away, first one. Second one fled away with the thali. Third one arranged one sticks to tackle the problem. And Ashoka was waiting and eating food and throwing some food towards the dog, then again eating. Seeing all the things, endurance, he was selected to be the future king. That is with the same stimulus, how one react. That is endurance test. Yoga practice, living standards, etc. So we will directly go to the food. This is not food. That is the main point. So how with food, 11:45 है ना? The food, how we can tackle these lifestyle related disorders and food and disorders with the food. First one is what kind of food we used to take. There are 2 different varieties. One is prana vallabha, means the food which directly give nutrition to the prana. Which are those? These are the asamaskarita ahara, which directly used food, substance like fruits and harita drabya. Harita, we used to take salad, everything harita. No? That directly gives you nutrition because there is no damage of the prana tattva by cooking. Okay. But if there is ajirna, don't take harit. Normally people says that now I am not getting hungry, there is no eagerness for taking food, so I should take salad. Sarvasam ajirnanam haritanam cha varjanam. In all kind of ajirna, harit drabya should be avoided. So harit should be varjani. So if you don't have the proper digestion for time being, you avoid harit drabya. In slang, it says that पक्का तो पच नहीं रहा है, कच्चा क्या पचेगा? हरित खाएंगे तो कच्चा है ना, तो पक्का तो पचना चाहिए ना पहले, फिर तो कच्चा पचेगा. तो जो पक्का ही नहीं पच रहा है, कच्चा क्या पचेगा? Another is sanskarit anna, which is subjected to seasoning because that is foreign body and we have to make it useful for us. Anna, as per the Ayurveda, what is actually food? Food is like a havan. And we used to put the hitadrabya before our Agni. In Charak Sutra 27, Hitabhihi juhat nityam antaragni samahita. Hitabhihi juhyat. You oblate, you offer the hitadrabya to your antaragni samahita. If we use this, then you will live for 36,000 nights. Sadatingsa sahasa ratrinam hitavojanai. Okay. Then Anna should have the Havana. So you have to have a full respect like a Havana. Okay. Whenever you are offering, then we have to discuss the Anna Samaskara. classical Anna Sanskara, current practice and modulation of the Anna Sanskara. Then Anna Sanskar, how we can make palatable Anna Sanskara. So this is the actually motto. This is taken from Bhagavad Gita chapter 4. Brahmarpanam Brahmavai, Brahmagno Brahmanahitam, Brahmena Tena Gantabhyam, Brahmakarma Samadhina. Now we have to discuss certain other things like what is the myth of the food and what is actually fact. There are more than 200 foods whose myth are different and original thing are different. For example, fruit shake. The myth is fruits gets sources of nutrient and antioxidant, and adding milk is not just a way to make them taste nice, also make them immunity booster. That is the myth taken from a journal, modern journal. But facts is that fruits are incompatible with the milk. Sarvam phalam payasa sa viruddham. Then skin disease, it occurs. It is not only immunity booster, but reason to develop different types of diseases. Actually, there are two different type food. One is emulsified food, another is non-emulsified food. Emulsified food is heavy, and where there is mixing of more than 2 or 3 different kinds of protein having different amino acid chain. That is called emulsified food. And the absorption period of the emulsified food is 3 to 5 times than the normal food. You are telling that I am not hungry, so I should take little bit, will not take sabji or roti, we will take fruit juice, shake. So absorption time of the fruit juice, which is a shake form, will take 3 times more than the roti and sabji, because it is emulsified food. So it will actually do the apatarpan to you, not the santarpana. Because to that time, you will not get hungry now. Because viruddha amalam payasa sarvam phalam. Next, sprout. Sprout. विरूढ़ धान्यम खाते कि नहीं? आजकल बहुत चल रहा है, बोले बहुत विरूढ़ खा रहे हैं. विरूढ़ इज वेजिटेटिव. विरूढ़ कौन खाएगा? भोजन रेफर टू भोजन कुतूहलम. नित्य व्यायामशालिनम नियुद्धशालिनम, who used to do fight daily, or vyamshalinam. They can able to digest properly the sprouts. But morning we used to take ankurita moong. So considered as a wonder food with high nutrition value. Sprout ensure blood purification and strengthen the ultimate immune system. But germinated seeds are not good for eyes. Aggravate the dosas, causes debility, digest. Sofa hetu. Gramma abja anupopishita virud annam. In sofa chikitsa, charak chikitsa sthan 12 and bars number 20. Check kar lena. Causes of progeria 1, 2, 3. Chikitsa sthan 1, pad number 2, 3. And causes of arsa. Everything. So you cannot blindly give to anyone. It is all foods are useful. But that should be useful according to the conditions. Tilla pinnaka vikriti susko sakam virudakam sandaki batakam drignam. Not good for eyes. Drignam dosalam glapanam guru. So before describing the food which is useful for the stress, you have to address this kind of, which is actually myth. And people used to tell that, sir, I used to take the flaxseed, atasi, flaxseed. Whether flaxseed is useful for all kinds of persons, whether pitta prakopi also can use or not. That myth and facts you should discuss. Then some preparations. Poha. How you prepare poha? That is anna sanskaram. We are prescribing the lifestyle related, prescribing the food and medicine for lifestyle related disorder, but we are actually putting them in the stress condition by prescribing this. That is why I am mentioning this, that you have to avoid these things, or you have to mention with due consideration. Okay? It is considered as light breakfast, poha. ऐसे आप मानते हो ना पोहा, but how you poha prepared? Most people cook it by modifying method of frying. Fry करते? Only steam boil. If you do the frying, then what will happen? Charak says, Prithuka guravo balya, kapopishtamva karina, pritako guravo bhrishtan, bhakshayad alpatastutan. If it is guravo bhrishta, then you have to take very little. Bhrishtam. If it is not bhrishta, then it is guru and heavy to digest. Steam is the right method to cook poha. Otherwise, if we fried it, prithako guravo bhrishta. Then, suppose how you prescribe one to take the dal. How many methods of preparing dal? What text says? In a house, suppose you are 4 members in house, two kid and both. So in 4 members, Agni will be different. One is Madhyam Agni, Alpa Agni, Uti Agni. Then what kind of dal is prescribed? I am telling about on the perspective of Sanskar only. I am not telling about the Gunatah Guru. Like if we take the Mudga only, then what are the method of preparing dal? First method is Bhrishtan Tato Shinnan. What are the method written? Bhrishtan Tato Shinnam. Shinnam Avapam Kritva. Shinnam Nirvapam. Shinnam Akritam. There are 4 methods. One is only cooked in open vessels and don't do the sanskara. That is for the Sangshodhana Uttaravastha and the condition where there is Sula and there is less amount of Agni, very less amount of Agni. That is asanskarita yusha. Next one is Svinnam Nirvapam Kritva. Then you first boil it, then take a spoon where you prepare the sanskarita drabya like Jirakam, Hingu, Dhannakam, everything. Then pour this big spoon, but immerse this big spoon within the dala. That is called Nirvapam. That is for Mridu Agni. Okay. Another is you boil it, then in another kadai you prepare the seasoning material, then pour the dal. Then it will again boil for 1 minute or 2 minutes. So the shinnam. So there is shinna process happens twice. So it is for Madhyam Agni. This is Avapa method. And first method says Bhrishtam Tato Shinnam. First pour oil or ghee, then fry the dal, then pour the water, then boil. That is called Guru Agni. So that is the actual method of samskara. as mentioned in the text. So according to the Agni, we have to prepare. But we prepare as the four person are there having the different kinds of Agni level. So what we follow? Anujayat pratipadam sarvadharmesu madhyamam. So we follow the madhyam marga. So these are the different methods like dadhi, sabji, puti anna, paryushit anna. We put in the fridge, then again take, reboil. Whether it is okay or not. No, then patient asks, sir, I am taking this for last 20 years. Nothing happened. बोलते कि नहीं कुछ नहीं हो रहा है क्या करेंगे आप तो एक्चुअली रूल के हिसाब से इफ यू टेक विरुद्ध अन्न इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग विरुद्ध अन्न व्हाई दिस इज नॉट ऑकर देयर इज ए रेस्ट्रिक्शन देयर इज ए अपवाद इन द टेक्स्ट स्निग्ध सात्मतो अल्पत्वा वा अपि दीप्ताग्नेय तरुणस्य च स्निग्ध व्यायाम बलिनाम विरुद्धम विततम भवेत् that is the sutra that the same sutra is mentioned in Charak Sutra 26 and Sushrut Sutra 20 Hita Hitya chapter viruddham vitatam bhavet okay vyanjanam you know there are two terms swara or vyanjanam swar can used independently and vyanjana requires a certain support so padam alpam to satmato alpatva api these rules will apply that is why viruddham vitatam bhavet because alpam we are taking alpana but we cannot reuse the rice this kind of correlation and happenings also you should put before the students why because they prescribe in lifestyle disorders without assessing the bad effects of the all things like this is one part like we discuss the viruddha also we discuss the myth and facts also we discuss the rasa also we discuss the other things also so here also these that is called fast food fast food leads to व्यत्यास of the aniyata ayu there is a niyata ayu if we fasten the niyata ayu we will reach to the destination faster because we are doing oxidation is more now so oxidation is more so what will happen oxidation हो जाएगा combo pack is a flight क्या देते हैं combo pack cheese दिया cheese actually prepare it is clarified butter prepare in a condition where atmospheric pressure is 2 to 5 and temperature is -5 to -15 the cheese is prepared so for that it requires a hot things to dissolve but we are taking pizza with cold drinks pizza cheese with cold drinks that leads to what agninasa त्रिदोष कारकम नित्य सेवन अर्श विकार this is combo actually when prescribing this hetu when we are finding out hetu we have to find out the where is the hetu we used to overlook this thing that is why I am showing We actually write prescription, this you should take. This is mentioned in Hemadri. Nirdharita niyata kalagati and apakkatu pakva, that is savavik kalagati. If there is vyathyas of savavika kalagati, apakkatu pakka, we are using pressure cooker, we are using everything. Pressure cooker is, was developed in a situation when the soldiers were sent to a remote area in a high hill, atmospheric pressure is low, temperature is low. That for that situation it was prepared. Now we have ample of time. Here we are using pressure cooker. So we are cooking our life. So apakkatu pakka savavika kalagati. So if we alter the savavika kalagati, nirdharita kalagati also will come to closer. Then we should address also this one, Anna Samskara. Because in lifestyle related disorder, Anna Samskar plays a very important role. And if we can alter the preparations, then we can restrain of having these diseases up to 60%. The data was prepared by IIT Kanpur and IIT Jodhpur. Study was conducted, and outcome of the study is if we train the mothers of the village, and after training they have conducted the 6 sampling of 6 months each, 3 years, and they showed that there are certain amount of immunity booster, a certain amount of boosting of immunity following the preparation of Anna Samskar only. There is no medicine given. So the study was conducted by not a Ayurveda institute. It was conducted by IIT only. So Anna Samskar is very important point. Like if we prepare potato of low Agni persons, what would be the probable method of preparation of potato? We can boil it. We can directly put it before the Agni. So if it is Agni directly, Sakshat Agni, so only Agni Samskar is okay. Toy Agni Samskar will remain Guru. Toy Agni is boiling. So, okay. Now this is the actually different Samskara. Understand that portion also you have to address before the students. Anna Samskara, Toya Agni Samskara, Socha Samskara, Manthana Samskara. You know already 9 Samskara. Next point is see, if we do not follow the Samskara rule, then what will happen? According to the various studies, there are principally 4 factors related to the lifestyle which are mainly responsible for the most of the non-communicable diseases. These are improper diet, improper physical activity, improper consumption of alcohol, and this is mentioned in the economics of the non-communicable disease. So improper diet, 1 point. So research finding also you have to put before the students. That is also a methodology. Next, according to WHO, at least 80% of the premature heart disease, strokes, type 2 diabetes, and 40% of the cancer would be prevented through the healthy diet. Okay. Now we are going with this one. Actually, what is food? So food must have 4 things. Okay. That also you have to give the due consideration according to season. But today, Varsha Ritu, you take card in the morning. The morning, Vasanta Ritu. Purvanne Vasantasya Lingam, Madhanne Grismasya, Pradoshe Varsikam. So we do not consider the seasonal rule. So how immunity will boost up? Why healthy food is necessary? That's point also to be addressed. Then another point is last point. This is comes under the conclusion. We are going to the conclusion. Okay, the point is we require immunomodulation for lifestyle disorders. Okay? So for immunomodulation, what we require? Ojasyam, Balavriddhikara Bhava, Pranadharanam. And the Balavriddhikara Bhava, one is Ahara Sampada. Okay, in Ahara Sampad, how we can do Ahara Sampad? Ahara Sampad indicates that food with all required nutrition and adequate quantity. So first one is for making the food as a Sampada, Ahara Parinam Kar Bhav should be given due consideration. Then Ashtavidha Visheshayatan, then Bhojya Sadgunyam, then असाधम आहारस्य त्याग सप्तदा संकीर्ण भोजनम विरुद्ध भोजनम अमात्र भोजनम अजीर्ण भोजनम समसनम अध्यसनम and vishamasanam. That should also be avoided. That point also address what food ahar to be addressed. Last, this is take home message for the students. So what you have to give? One is ahar to be avoided. Bishajukta anna. What is Bishajukta anna? With preservative, with fruits and milk. Then Puti Parjushita anna. Fridged food, packed food. Puti Parjushitam. Tamasic bhajan. Yato yamam gatarasam puti parjushitam chajat. Gita chapter 17. Tamasic bhojanam. Then Sankirna bhojanam. Not prepared in the right manner and right spirit. Then improper combination and sequence. Less amount of food, excessive food. Then taking food in an indigested condition. And mixing of wholesome food and unwholesome food. Taking food after another food before getting digested. Then taking in improper time. So all these 9 parameters to be avoided, and that has to be mentioned in a lifestyle disorders. Mandatory. ये जरूरी है. Then ahar to be taken for immunomodulations. Ghee, that is ojasya, balya rasayan, pranadharanam. Then easily digestible. Then sadarasayuktam, prabhavayuktam, then desirable and palatable, and having various kind of from the various resources. The all kind of ghee, jivaniya gana, mamsa rasa, milk. This is ojasya. This milk, fresh chicken, draksha, this is balya. Then this is pranavardhanam, ghee and milk, easily digestible. These all 7, 8 you have to put in a compound diet, and these are to be avoided. Last one is you have to give the research findings, ahar related research findings. These are the references. Okay. So with this, what is our aim? We have to reach this level. So in this discussion, what we address how to communicate a lifestyle disorders, how to address the issues related to lifestyle, how we remove the hetus, how we can rationally use the classical concept for directly sanskaram, for assessing the combination of rasas, we are assessing the myth and facts of the food, then what to be avoided, what not to be avoided. All these points are to be put in a lecture. Lecture means when we are addressing this to the students. Point was, our point was what? Point was, first you go to the first side. Lifestyle alteration, what are the challenges, critical issue and future directions. Okay, these all matter we should address. Okay, that is the actually problem we face. And in OPD also, patient having the high social stature, they used to ask whether I should take flaxseed, whether I should take the roasted joe, or whether should I take the yogurt or dahi, or somewhere in some portion of Rajasthan or Gujarat also, they used milk and dahi together. In Gujarat, there is a town called Fedru, like that. They used milk and curd together. It becomes tasty. Huh? Okay, thank you.